Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so surprise, surprise, surprise. My girl Elizabeth Wolf has spotted some more spoilers that were in those TikTok BoxyCharm videos. So we're going to be talking about those today. Now, I think she heard a couple other people talk about them before her, so I don't know if she was the first one that actually spotted them or what, but that's where I found them, from Elizabeth's channel. So I'm going to link her below if you want to hear any descriptions or anything about the items, because, you know, I'm just here to show you what it is. I don't really give my opinion too much. I might here and there, but if you want to hear like a better description of these products, then you might want to go to her channel, and I'll link her below. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing BoxyCharm survey spoilers, which we might see in future boxes. Well, thank you so much. Dawn loves her makeup. Dawn says, I'm first. So happy to see another video from you, Mandy. Love you, girl. Now, Dawn, you know you just want to see the spoilers. I'm just joking, girl. I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much, honey. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that during that time. That will turn the little red heart to a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But guess what? It also gives you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, there was 2 TikTok videos, or just 1 video. I can't remember. I think it was a couple of TikTok videos. Now I'm going to show you both the videos. There were a couple of more spoilers spotted. Again, I found them on Elizabeth's channel, and she's going to be linked below if you want to hear a better description. But I'm going to show you these videos, and then I'll come back and show you what she found.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So, you know, first of all, that Dominique Cosmetics, the Rustic Glam eyeshadow palette, that is the one that drew our attention straight to it. But again, Elizabeth found these other spoilers that were hiding around in there that we haven't seen in boxes. So these could be possible future spoilers, as well as the Dominique's Cosmetics palette. So you've seen in that one, and I'll pull up pictures of it here where they were at. You see the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera eyeshadow palette. I mean, that palette is absolutely gorgeous. And then we also seen the Ace Beauty, the Slice of Paradise eyeshadow palette. And that was of course hiding too. And then we seen the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte eyeshadow palette. Now again, I know it's a little bit older palette, but and it's one I don't have, but I'm quite curious to see, you know, how many people already have this. And you know, it smells just like peaches, just like their chocolate palettes smell like chocolate. I haven't got to smell it. I would love to. I would love to use the thing. But anyways, let's go to the next one. So next she finds the Natasha Denona Glow Liquid Highlighter. Now this is like that, it's like a body highlighter, and I don't know if it's a spray or a liquid or exactly what, but it's an interesting item. And there is a lot of it. I'll put the size of it right here. So it is a pretty good sized item. And then next is another Natasha Denona item. This is the All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer Powder. Now, again, guys, I don't know how we missed all this. Well, I know how, because our eye was drawn to that Rustic Glam palette. But, again, you know, Joe likes to hide these little sneak peeks in the backgrounds of videos and posts and stuff. So whenever somebody finds them, I try to update you guys. Again, these have not been confirmed, but who knows, we might see this stuff in future spoilers. So let me know what you think about these items down below in the comment section. Maybe that might influence Joe's decision to put some of these in future boxes. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Deb Brixon. Deb says, more spoilers. Yeah, Deb, honey, I got you covered, honey. Every time, I don't care if I see a hint of a possible spoiler, I'm going to let you guys know. So I can't wait to find more spoilers. I'm going to start digging just as soon as I get this one out. And Deb, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.